Hey Patty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Cenat. I started smoking cigarettes. Let's get into it.
To LA on the run like I don't got in the state. Yeah, I went from LA to the A on the run. You can tell where I stay. Yeah, counting all this paper, I chase no sleep. We jet lag, baby.
Are you out here in the makeup section?
Nigga, I'm looking for deodorant.
Nah. I don't know why TK out here in the makeup section, man. I don't know what he doing out here. Big fan. I love your work, bro. I love your work.
My work?
Yeah, man. I like what you do, man.
What do I do?
Big fan.
Dude, I'm trying to do some work.
Nah, I'm saying you're a big fan. Damn, bro, that's how you treat your fans, man.
How's he taller than me?
I'm taller, bro. And I'm in my sandals. Like, I'm definitely taller, bro.
No way. Lift the hat off. Take the hat off.
Nigga, take the hat off.
Take the hat off.
All right, now.
Them sandals, look.
What? Look the sandals, bro. I'm taller than you, bro. Excuse me, ma'am.
He is such a nut.
Who's taller between me and him, honestly? What?
Thank you.
Really? Damn. What's your number, though? You look good.
I'm old enough to be your grandma, bro.
Nah, come on. I'm into older women, though. Bro, what's up, bro? This is my girl, bro. Stop playing, bro. You wilding right now, homie.
Y'all are killing me.
Listen, I love your hair, man. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta work.
Spirit. You talking about outward things. I'm talking about from the inside.
Bro, we don't care about that, bro. What's up with you, though, bro? You see me with my girl. Who you want, though? Who you want at the end of the day? Who you want? Who you want at the end of the day? Come on.
Who do I want?
Yeah.
What do you mean, who do I want?
Like, who do you want? You know what I'm saying? Get the children.
Both y'all are equally.
You see?
Okay.
You see how she pointed at me first?
I take it.
Went to you.
No. She.
Everybody want a cougar. Y'all is tripping. She like, okay, y'all leave me alone though. And then she's like, where'd it go?
She, you know what I'm saying? Hi, y'all. DeMarcus Cousins just got to the airport, and right now we about to go look for him and see where he's at. It's been too long. Excuse me, have you seen DeMarcus? Have you seen DeMarcus? Have you seen DeMarcus? Have you seen DeMarcus? His cousins? Have you seen DeMarcus Cousins? DeMarcus?
No.
You haven't seen DeMarcus? DeMarcus? Oh my God, DeMarcus! Oh my God! Oh my God, man! It's been too long, man!
I love these guys. They are so funny to me. Oh my gosh.
I haven't even been professionally raw dog. I just been raw dogging.
Not professionally?
Just raw dog.
Damn. I found him. Yeah, I found him. Thank you, man. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you, man. I appreciate you, man. That ass.
Shit, man, what you been up to, bro?
Hey, man, there's 10 strippers at the crib, man, right now.
You capping?
No, I'm capping. Can I see that one? Yeah, I like this one. Right here. I see this one right here, too. Thank you, man. Can you see that one, please? Come on, man. You got, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm gonna just take this whole thing.
No.
Why?
You got
That's mine. I got it first. Look. Excuse me. Do you know where Rudolph went?
Rudolph?
Yeah.
Nah.
Because you're Santa Claus.
I'll let it grow.
He said, where Rudolph is you Santa?
A little more.
But where's Rudolph? I know you know where Rudolph is.
He's hanging out, I guess. Resting up.
Do you need any help with anything?
No.
You need any help?
No, you work here?
Yeah.
You do? Where's your apron?
It's my first day on the job. I have to wear an apron. I lost my older cousin and somewhere in the store. Is it possible, like, I can make an announcement to get him, like, and I can't find him in here. I'm kind of lost.
What's his name?
His name is Jadion.
Do you know what department he works in?
No. I don't know. He came here with me.
Oh, you're looking for someone.
Yeah, I'm just lost, yeah.
Okay.
She's like, yo, grown but lost. Like, you ain't gonna cell phone. No, seriously, that store is huge, though. It's easy to lose people. I'm just playing.
What's his name?
His name is Jadion.
Jadion?
Yeah, Jadion.
Attention customers, Jadion, please come to the pro desk. Okay, I know I didn't say that right.
Yeah. No, you did. Dion is right. What?
I said hello.
Oh, what's up? You want my number or something?
No.
Oh, okay.
You could be my son.
Oh, dang.
I know that.
Oh, snap. I like older women, though.
My daughter's 35, so if
Oh,
you
snap.
know my daughter, yeah, okay.
That's my dad.
That wall? In the cave?
Hi, Dad.
Whoa. Your dad in the cave?
Whoa, my dad is in the cave.
He said, whoa. he said, hold on, I ain't got no son.
Age, BLM. Whoa. What do you mean by that? I know a lot about batteries if you need my help.
Okay.
I was a AA major back in 2014.
Okay.
What's your name?
Tashina.
Tashina, my name is Kai. How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
From YouTube.
You said what?
I know you from YouTube.
Oh, you know you from YouTube then?
Why are you recording?
I found... No, it's not recording. It's for my photo shoot later.
I just saw you doing them.
Cindy.
Hey, we saw it
Cindy.
too. She's
Cindy.
the one that brought it to my attention.
Cindy.
Found me.
Cindy, I found him. You said what?
I said, don't film our associates.
When they're walking dogs?
Our associates.
What's associates?
Somebody that works here.
I got an associate's degree.
Good for you. I'm glad.
Do you ever
Please discontinue.
discontinue the video game?
Yes.
He discontinued. I'm glad. Please don't film our associates.
We're not playing the video game.
I said the video.
I'm not recording.
What's he doing?
It's for my photo shoot later. He's holding my camera. He's my cameraman.
Okay. Why is it pointing at me?
It's pointing at me, if you think about it. Touche. Hey, man, I'm shopping, man.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
I hear you.
If you need any help, you just ask me, okay? If you need any help with anything, just ask me.
People filming here,
Can I speak to him?
and we're
Can I
trying to
talk?
ask them to leave, then they will not leave.
Can I speak to them?
No.
Why not? Damn. Well, you guys have a great day. Are you Kai?
No. Sorry, I'm just easily startled.
You said what?
Sorry, I'm just easily startled.
Oh, you're easy startled?
Oh, 6 like...
Oh, why? Why are you hyping him up? Hype me up, nigga.
Oh, shit, I thought you were Atlanta.
No, I'm New York City. You know I'm from New York.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
In New York. You wanna play this? You gotta finally put it back in. I don't know. Got some. You know what I'm saying? You don't got that?
No, sir. Not here.
You don't be smoking?
I mean, not in here, but...
Nah, I'm asking if y'all got that gas.
No, not in here. Man.
Let that on you?
Y'all trying to get them kicked out of school now. He went to the college asking about getting something.
What?
You got that on you? Oh, you got that? Hold on. You got that marijuana?
Say what?
Got that marijuana? Look, guys, look, I was on the internet and I was searching up weird stuff. You feel what I'm saying? And I came across the most weird but genius thing ever, man. This is literally, you might be asking, yo, Kai, what are these? Bro, these are fake cigarettes, strictly made for acting. Like, there's no tobacco. It is tobacco-free, nicotine-free, and addictive-free, meaning it literally does me no harm. It's literally made for actors to act in movies and stuff like that. These are completely fake cigarettes. No, I do not smoke cigarettes. I don't smoke bogeys. It look like I smoke bogeys, nigga. All right.
He got too much energy, y'all. He can't be running and bouncing off walls like that with bad lungs, so... This should be funny, though. His friends gonna freak out. So look, what you guys don't know is, though, I'm about to try it for the first time. I'm about to see if it works and stuff like that. I'm gonna go to all my friends in the house, and we're gonna see what their reaction is, because they never know. They know I don't even smoke. I don't drink, none of that. So if they see me smoking this, they're gonna be like, no, Kyle, what's going on? You feel what I'm saying? We got that. So let's go see. Kyle, you think I gotta get away? Oh, yeah. We gonna be right here, like, you feel what I'm saying? We gonna be chilling, bro. Nigga, you feel me? Chilling the block by the light, you know what I'm saying? Said, like, just literally, you're not inhaling it. You just go, and you just put it back out. Maybe like this. He don't know how to light it. Okay, I think he got it. This shit works legit, bro. It tastes just like strawberries. You know, I feel like an old head right now. No.
Oh, damn.
Back then, they didn't want me. Now, look, they all on me. So stressed out and shit like that. But we about to see how these other niggas react, though.
That is an
interesting concept, y'all. But do it smell like strawberries? And is he gonna burn the backyard down? Like, bruh, at least you gotta step on it. It ain't gonna put his stuff out.
Bro, that is too real, bro. Lately, I've been, like, really stressed, bro. I want to have, like, a deep conversation type shit. I'm been talking to some girl, and she's been, like, using me low-key.
I was using you,
like financially.
Clout. Oh, my God.
And for clout. Bro, it's not even that funny, bro. I just need somebody to talk to real quick and shit.
Like, his friend, like, you can use to, you know it.
But yeah, she been using me, like financially, bro.
Got butter?
You want a cigarette?
No.
What?
You smoke cigarettes?
Huh?
You smoke cigarettes?
Nigga, you ain't know I smoke cigarettes?
That's really... Nigga, don't do that. That's bad for your lungs.
What?
That's bad for your lungs. But he actually smokes cigarettes? Yo, I have asthma, man.
What, nigga?
Don't be smoking around people with asthma. Don't do it. Y'all just remember that.
Gonna make my asthma go off and shit. Can you throw it away while you do the deep talk?
Nigga, I'm stressing. Nigga, did you just split my fucking cigarette? Are you crazy? Bro, you're wild. I'm stressing, bro. Like, shit. I hit rock bottom. Like, I've officially fell off. like, you know, everyone told me, like, yo, you fell off?
Officially fell off? Yo, stop, man.
Bro! What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck, bro? My cigarettes, bro.
He said I officially fell off. He act like he smoke them too. But y'all, I don't know. Like, for the people who don't smoke, I'd be surprised how much those things cost. Like, they be like $49 or something, like $25 or something, you know? And they always like to cut in front of you when you're in line. Like, hey, I need to get here. So, I mean, I don't know. Y'all come in if y'all smoke. Come in if, you know, I don't know what I want to know. But just if the price has gone up recently, just say yes and no to that.
So I never seen you smoke no damn.
You wildin', bro. Yo, pick that up. Yo, hold that for me, Chris. Bro, I want to smoke, bro. I'm stressed. I've been stressing, bro. I've been stressing, bro. I've been stressing, bro. What? What do you also want me to do? I can go to Perks if you want me to. Yo, why are you breaking my... Are you going to pay back for my shit?
This is a blunt, right?
Nah, I'm not actually smoking cigarettes.
What is it?
These are cigarettes for actors. Tobacco-free, nicotine-free.
My dumb ass said, is that butter?
It's literally nothing. Like, it's literally just like strawberry.
So I can do one if I want to?
Yeah. I'm going to just act like I'm really chopping it up with him on some real shit. I'm going to wait for Duke to come over here, then I'm going to chop it up with him on some real shit. You can hear that ringtone, right? Yo? Yo, meet me by the pool real quick.
All right, man.
All right. You want a cigarette?
In no fucking way you just offered me a cigarette. Then
Duke is my favorite, just so y'all know.
For real?
What? Nigga?
Why the fuck you got a pack of cigarettes?
Nigga, what you mean? My brother, what's good, my brother?
Why the fuck you start smoking cigarettes?
I be stressing, bro.
You stressing about the bitch?
Okay, look. It's also, I love Kai too, though, honestly. He my second favorite, if there is such a thing. Okay. But, you know, he really got some friends that actually very concerned about him. I love how they like each other and how they know that this is out of character and they need to talk to their boy about this whole thing.
Oh, yeah.
You just want to smoke weed. That's way better.
Bro, weed?
Weed is way better.
Bro, weed just get you smacked. You start losing shit. Ooh, I think I'm a grown-ass man, bro.
Yeah, but at the same time, it's like... Bro, like, my mama them...
But if y'all want, I got cigarettes for all of y'all, bro. It really make you, like, stress-free.
He say, you with them old women too much. They be smoking cigarettes. Like, my mama them be smoking cigarettes. Like, bruh, you 20-something. Like, why we smoking cigarettes? So Duke less concerned about him smoking, period. He just like, you smoking the wrong thing, okay? All right.
You know how Chris don't be dropping, though?
I don't be stressing about no shit. Not to smoke no cigarettes.
So this is crazy, eh? Yeah, it's good, nigga. It's good shit. Stop joking. This is fake cigarettes for actors.
Stop.
Tobacco free, nicotine free. It's like. No, nigga. Look.
Yo, hold on, but he can't hear us good. So how?
Is he good, nigga? I got a motherfucking.
You might.
I'm the D's. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I just found out some crazy shit. Remember when I was in college? Guess what? Nigga, I am $80,000 in debt.
Bro. Nigga.
I thought he was gonna say he had a kid he just found out about.
We in the same fucking boat, man.
Oh, you had $80,000 of debt too?
Yep, sing the song.
Not 80,000, nigga, bro.
He said, "You are not alone. I'm in the boat with you, sir."
We might as well go on motherfucking the Squid Game.
I will. That shit too.
What? The Squid Game shit? You not winning red light, green light. This shit.
Is you dumb?
Nigga,
You want
he gonna give up.
What is this?
Cigarette. Do you want one? Nigga, what? What? Nigga, I'm talking to you, nigga. Let's have a one-on-one conversation.
I like his Whitney Houston shirt, by the way, y'all.
Nigga, pull up.
What are you? No, nigga. What is that?
But let me smoke, bruh.
No, nigga.
For what? Nigga, why? Why? I'm stressing. It's fake cigarettes, bro. I forgot to tell you. Nigga, it's for actors, bro. Look, tobacco free, nicotine free, addictive free.
Nigga, let me get one too.
Oh, yeah, now you want some, right? Why that nigga Chris just kicked me out, bro?
Alright, what the fuck?
What? Nigga, what?
Nah, you fell off.
Nigga, what? What?
He disappointed. You see that look? He's like, "Now, my boys, I don't even know what to say to you. I don't know who you are."
Yo, what the fuck?
What is wrong with you?
What do you mean, what the fuck is wrong?
He got the appropriate reaction though. You try to hit one of those cigarettes out of the smoker hand. You know, first of all, they got their brand. Like I said, they paid a grip, and they trying to release their stress. Even though you're trying to help them, which you should, but don't get it out their head because you might have a fight. I'm glad he didn't burn the place down. It's lit.
I mean, all things you could smoke. This is the shit you decide to smoke.
Nigga, what? Doing, bro? Nigga, pass me another one, nigga. Stressed. We're not posted on Mondays.
That's how you...
Nigga, yes, that's how I coat myself. You talk about I smell like Kush, nigga. No, nigga, that's tobacco.
All right, bro, give me one.
Yes.
Stress.
Oh, yeah. Yo, my brother, I couldn't wait for you. Damn, why you ain't just tell me that shit, bro?
Bro, I'm trying to record this video on PC, but there's no controller support. Have you ever tried to dribble onto... How do you light it? I've never had one.
Nigga, I got the lighter right here, but let's do that motherfucking light real quick. You know what I'm saying? Ah, fuck!
Fuck, God. Fuck, you stuck in my feet. God damn it. Fuck. Yo, just give me the controller, bro. Fuck this shit.
Are you trying to hit?
Oh, that shit, that ass. That's horrible.
No, we officially fell off.
He said we officially fell off. See, okay. I was like, I have a mix of people. It's like the dudes is like, yo, big bro, like your reality check guys are gonna be like, look, you don't need to be doing this. You can't do this. I'm knocking this out your hand. We're gonna have to fight later, right? And then it's the dudes that's like, we down the rabbit hole, bro. I'm with you. Let's go see Alice. All right, like, comment, subscribe, share if you can. Click the bell, become part of the Noah Squad.